everyone, welcome back to Tarot with Donna. Let's see what's coming in the next 6 months. This reading is going to be packed with everything you need to know about your career, relationships, love life, health, and general vibe over the next 6 months. So grab a cup of chai, sit back, and let's get into it. I'm going to take you step by step through the energies, okay? I've already shuffled the cards, so let's see what's storing for us for the next 6 months. Shall we start with career? Because this is the exciting part, your career. We have the Emperor and the Eight of Pentacles, and which is telling me that you are going to be showing up like a boss, taking charge of situations and working hard towards your goals. Whether you're starting something new or growing in your current role, you are stepping into your full potential. People around you will notice your confidence and dedication, and it's going to pay off. Beautiful. You're going to have opportunities to prove yourself, and trust me, the universe is cheering you on. But it's not going to be on smooth sailing, okay? There can be some up and downs because I can see the competition and conflict at work with Five of Wands. You might be in situations where you need to assert yourself and work harder to stand out. But the good news is that you will come out on top. Remember that your efforts will lead to success. Keep your focus and don't get distracted by unnecessary drama because I can see drama at your workplace happening in the next 6 months, okay? And oh, here's a quick tip for you with lovers. Okay, so if you are considering making a big career decision like a job change or a project partnership, it's a good time to follow your heart. Don't let fear hold you back. If something feels right, go for it. Your intuition will guide you. Now let's talk about the love and relationship. So whether you're single or in a relationship, the next 6 months are bringing powerful energy because we have the Sun card, the Ace of Cups, the Two of Cups, which means love, love, love. And it's not just any love, it's the kind that lights you up from the inside out. Whether it's a new relationship or a deepening connection, this period is all about emotional growth and harmony. For my singles, I'm seeing that a new romantic opportunity will come your way, possibly from an unexpected source. A new love interest could make you feel like you're walking on sunshine. So get ready to open your heart. Okay, singles. For those in a relationship, Two of Cups brings in the mutual respect, love, and understanding. If things have been rocky in your relationship, expect to see the things smooth. Okay, and yeah, the things will grow stronger between both of you. Your bond will deepen, and you will be able to communicate better. Like previously, I can see, or in the current situation, there is a communication gap between both of you. Some kind of miscommunication has recently happened. Okay, so that will be sorted out. However, the energy around your love life is not all smooth sailing. It will have its own ups and downs because we have the Seven of Swords, okay? And there's someone who is not being entirely honest, or there are some secrets, okay? But don't worry, you will figure it out. Trust your intuition and don't settle for anything less than the truth. You can ask for it, okay? Again, this is a general reading, so take how it's resonate with your situation. For personal reading, you can DM me on Instagram. Let's talk health. So it's been a roller coaster lately, and it's looked like the next 6 months will require you to find the balance between work, fun, and self care. We have the Star and the Hermit. You need to slow down, okay, and give yourself time to recharge. It's not about pushing yourself too hard, it's about finding moments of peace and taking care of your mental health as much as your physical health. I can see you're putting a lot of effort with respect to your physical health, but when it comes to mental health, there are not much efforts. Don't neglect it, okay? You might feel a little drained at times, especially when you are giving a lot of energy to your career or relationships. So make sure to take time to nurture your soul also, and meditate, because it will help you in gaining the wisdom through introspection, okay? And spend time alone because it will recharge you. And don't feel guilty about needing some me time. It's completely okay. In terms of your physical health, you will need to stay active. Take it easy, but it's very important to stay active. If you have been meaning to exercise or start a wellness routine, now is the time. Even simple activities like walking or yoga will work wonders for your energy levels. Okay. The song vibe that I'm getting right now is Zindagi Kaise Hai Paheli Aaye from Anand, and you have to got this balance thing to figure out. Okay, life is a beautiful journey, and so take it one step at a time. I'm really not a good singer, so please bear with me with that. Okay. Okay. Let's talk money, finances. We have the Nine of Pentacles, and I can say that you are heading towards a place of abundance in the next 6 months. Whether you are getting a raise, promotion, or just seeing the fruits of your hard work, there's definitely some positive movement in your financial situation. We have the Full card and the Four of Pentacles, but there's a caution also. If you are taking any decisions which involve the risk, please take the calculated risk, but don't be impulsive with your money. Make sure you are saving and budgeting wisely. You might be tempted to spend a lot of money to make a big investment, but think twice before doing that. Okay. Until you believe that, that is the right moment to invest somewhere. For your finances, I'm getting a vibe like, "Koi kahe, kehta rahe" from Dil Chahta Hai. So you are on the way to being financially independent and free. Just make sure you are wise about how you handle it, okay? Let's talk your personal growth and spirituality. So, with the chariot and the judgment card, I can see that you're going to be making some changes within yourself uh, in order to become the person you always wanted to be. There will be a lot of self reflection. You will realize that you are much stronger than you thought, because you will be doing something, which you believe today that you will not be able to do. And with Chariot, I can see that you are taking control of your life and heading towards your goal with full force. Whether it's about building confidence, learning new skills, getting certified, or just becoming more self aware, your personal evolution is in full swing. You will be letting go of past regrets or burdens. You are going to rise above the old patterns. And I can see a brand new version of yourself just after 6 months. So it's beautiful. If I talk about spirituality, we have the high priestess, and I can see that, that card is saying you trust your intuition, your spiritual side will grow, and you will find that inner peace by simply listening to yourself and the universe. Okay. So, really, it's an exciting time ahead. The next 6 months are going to be filled with love, career growth, and personal development, and some necessary self care. Well, there will be ups and downs, my dear. You have all the tools you need to create a future you are proud of. Just remember, life is about balance. As you go after your dreams, keep grounded in the present moment. Stay connected to your heart, and most importantly, trust yourself and love yourself. As we have heard a lot of times, that the future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams.